Hey there, adventurers. In today's adventure, we're here at SeaWorld Orlando. And today, we're going to go ahead, ride some rides, and have a fun day. So, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now, we're going to go ahead and do ride number 1, which is going to be for Penguin Truck. So this is my friend Sean's first time at SeaWorld in a year.
Not first.
It is here, at least.
This year.
Yeah. But overall, what do you think of taking the truck?
So fun. It's a fast ride, but wait until you see the big ones. The big roller coasters are going to be insane. They are insane.
But overall, I think it is an amazing ride, especially if you're not into the big thrills like MAKO or Manta.
Yeah.
And overall, definitely a great roller coaster to go on, especially start out today. And now we're gonna go ahead and do our next attraction, which is going to be KRAKEN, a floorless roller coaster that takes you through 7 inversions, as this is an iconic roller coaster at SeaWorld. So let's go ahead and ride it. Here we go. Whee! Ready? But, oh wait, there's a hotel, and then there's drop. Got off of KRAKEN.
It was a perfect big ride. It was really exciting. A lot of twisted turns, a lot of flips.
Also, it's such a big ride and there's so many inversions. It's such a crazy intense coaster that
Yeah.
it's definitely worth doing if you're looking for something more thrilling. When it comes to SeaWorld, there is so many roller coasters that you can do, from KRAKEN and Penguin Trek that we just did. There's also MAKO, which is a 200-foot roller coaster. So let's go ahead, head over to MAKO. That's a perfect ride right there. It is honestly the best roller coaster at SeaWorld by far. And now we're here at Icebreaker, our next attraction, because in this roller coaster you're going back and forth 70 miles per hour as you go up to the heights of 93 feet tall. So we're gonna go ahead and ride Icebreaker up next. Let's go. Whoa. Okay. That was a warm up. Now we're going forward. Whee! Oh. And we're going backwards. Whee! Oh. And here comes. And now we have our next roller coaster, and that's going to be Pipeline here. Pipeline is a surfing roller coaster, as it's the world's first. As you launch forward and you're actually standing up, going up and down all the way. So let's go ahead and head inside. 3, 2, 1. Hello! What do we think about Pipeline?
Gnarly, dude. It really was. It was so fun.
It's a very unique ride because there's this unique kind of technology in there where you're standing up. Like, it's nothing like any other ride here, and I think it is a great addition to SeaWorld. And that's going to be a wrap on our adventure here at SeaWorld Orlando. And let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite thing to do at SeaWorld? I would love to know. If you want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.